We'll just open the presentation, keeping our focus on various market trends, industries, and that's where we'll start from. Okay, so about BRISKPE, I represent BRISKPE. Our aim is to make B2B cross-border payments simpler, faster, cost-efficient, and secure for SMEs. I have just mentioned a couple of use cases here. One of the solution that we offer is international virtual account. We cater to B2B, C2B, B2C kind of use cases, across manufacturing services, B2B marketplaces, and freelancers. There are key markets which we are already supporting. There are industries like software development, design, marketing, carpet exporters, gems and jewelry exporter, frozen food exporters, mobile accessories, fashion and apparel exporters, travel and hospitality, leather and handicraft, education and travel, textile. They are all working with us right now and very happy with the solution. The countries that we are supporting as of now for local collection are Singapore, US, Europe, UK, Canada. So these are the geographies which we are supporting as of now to collect locally from these geography. I'll just mention what we offer in 5 steps. When a customer onboards with us, the journey is quite fast, and we offer international virtual accounts in the name of exporter. So if you are XYZ Private Limited, international accounts in these 5 currencies are issued instantly, and it is in the name of business. So it is in the name of company, and this enables collection of payments by way of local payment methods, just like NEFT RTGS, which is local payment method in India. For US, it is ACH. For Europe, it is SEPA. For single euro payment area. For UK, it is FPS, faster payment system. In Singapore, it is Pay Now and the payments mode also. So all these accounts are capable to accept payment by way of local payment mode. We also give an option of collecting in SWIFT. So if your buyer is not based in any of these geography, which covers 51 countries predominantly, including 30 plus 30 odd countries in Europe, which are making payment in Euro, then you can use SWIFT account. So if you're invoicing them in USD, you can use these SWIFT account details that we provide to you to collect in USD. Funds will automatically get credited in these international virtual accounts. The solution is pretty simple. It is app-based. You can go to your Play Store, download our app. The onboarding can be completed in just 5 minutes. It is accessible all the time. There is no paper submission requirement. If you are a GST registered entity, then it can be done pretty fast. If you are not GST registered, there could be a manual step wherein you may have to speak to our sales executive, and they will help you to complete the onboarding. But accounts are immediately issued once the onboarding is completed. There are many ways this solution is helpful to you. One is, I'll give comparison maybe after covering these 5 points. So faster payment is one of our USP. So far, in last 6 months of handling the transaction, we have settled 85% of the transactions within 12 to 24 hours. So if you get the funds today in your US account, tomorrow you will be getting the payment in India. There is no need to wait for 2 to 3 days. The advantage is the moment payment is made and it is received at our end, you get a notification which you don't get in any of the bank. You have to manually follow up. So immediate notification is provided to exporters. You can track the payments online. You have the option of sending a request or reminder. You can upload invoice online through our app itself. We have made it very simple, and the moment invoice is available, payment is there, you can actually expect that payment will be credited to you tomorrow. If there are compliance queries, which happens in certain cases, some of the cases that I mentioned earlier, there might be some due diligence required for the remitter, or there might be mismatch in the name of remitter and all. We come back for the clarification, and once those clarifications are taken, we process the payments. We also issue same-day foreign inward remittance advice, and we are proud of saying that nobody in the market is offering that. So if your payment is processed today, by tonight, you will have foreign inward remittance advice on your mail and on your app. Nobody in the market is offering that. Even your bank is giving you after 2 to 3 days. Same day, nobody offers. And none of the fintechs have been able to do that so far. The advantage is we provide it same day. We don't charge anything for FIRM. Bank फिर भी 600 रुपए plus GST उस पे charge कर लेते हैं. We don't charge anything. Everything is embedded in our pricing. We have tried to keep our pricing so simple. We convert at interbank rate. तो FX पे जो 2.5 से 4% बैंक आ जाते हैं वो तो लगता ही नहीं. We charge a fee of 1% and there are volume-based discounts, which includes GST as well. So there is no GST also that you will be paying separately on over and above that. So these are some of the advantages. I'll just do a brief comparison with respect to PayPal and Payoneer. You know, the pricing in Payoneer could be anywhere upwards of 2%, 2% plus GST. And then again for FIRA, they might be charging. PayPal, the biggest challenge is many a times they don't settle you instantly. They charge almost 5 to 6%. And sometimes some of the customers have experienced this, that funds are blocked due to internal compliance reason. And they block the funds for 90 days, 180 days. We are very clear, if we are not okay in terms of a transaction, we'll return the funds. We'll not keep it with us for 3 months or 6 months. We'll process or we'll return. As simple as that. We cannot be sitting on the fund. So that is our policy and we adhere to that. How does it work? As simple as I told you, you get international collection account, your client pays locally, you receive the fund in your virtual account, and next day we pay you. We need to do validation of invoice definitely as per regulation. So if invoice is upfront available, we do auto matching and process it. If invoice is not available, you get a reminder that there is an inward credit which has been received. You can upload the invoice and then it gets processed next day. If we look at savings, so here you should focus more. Typically in bank, you will see the charges are distributed across both the parties, exporter as well as buyer in overseas geography. So there is often a sender fee which gets charged to the buyer. Again, based on contractual terms, based on your negotiation power, many times buyers themselves bear, but they also pass it on to the sender. तो वो आपको पैसा कट के आता है. Then there is a receiver fee which ranges depending on the amount anywhere between $20 to $100 जो आपका बैंक इंडिया में चार्ज करता है. That itself costs a minimum of $40-45. And then forex fee जो कार्ड रेट पे बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन करता है. फिर फीरा का $5-10 अलग से लगाता है जिसके ऊपर जीएसटी लगाता है एंड 3 से 5 दिन में सेटलमेंट देता है. If you look at BRISKPE, we don't, because it is a local payment, there is no charge that your buyer has. So buyer के लिए it becomes very easy. Any type of transaction, all the buyers in their respective geography will have local payment method that they have access to. They can use payment by way of local payment method. Receivers fee, as I mentioned, it is 1% all inclusive and there are volume-based discount. We convert at interbank rate. We don't charge anything for FIRA and we settle it next day. So that is the core advantage we are bringing. Our solutions are designed keeping in mind the manufacturing segment of the country, which nobody has been able to solve and nobody is solving. We are proud in saying that with our in-depth experience of working with manufacturing segment, we have built that solution, which is automatically applicable to service sector also. It's not that our solution can only be used by manufacturing, but manufacturing comes with a lot more complexity, which players in the market are not able to solve or do not want to solve. Our vision is to provide one-stop cross-border payment solution to MSMEs, enabling cost-efficient, faster payment, ease of access, and improved payment tracking and bank-grade compliance. With BRISKPE, we promise our customers can significantly reduce their cost of global expansion and enhance their global competitiveness. That's end to the presentation, Manish. We can go to the question and answer round. I have mentioned some of the contact numbers over here. This is our WhatsApp contact detail if you want to reach out through WhatsApp. Priyank is our nodal officer for all the queries that are coming up through FIEO partnership. You can reach out to Priyank. His contact number is mentioned over here. Our email IDs are also there if you want to reach out through email, info@BRISKPE. As on date, we are present in Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, Surat, Bangalore. Very soon, we will be expanding our reach to 10 other cities and we will be in your city very soon. On the left side, I've given a QR code. You can just scan and download the app and start registration. So during Q&A round itself, you will have your international accounts available with you.